Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's lesson is the introduction to gender. Let's start. There are four types of gender. What are those? Masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. Okay, there are four types of gender. Now what is masculine gender? These are words for men, boys and male animals. Any male word is masculine gender. Okay. Example, boy, king, son, etc. What is feminine gender? These are words for women, girls and female animals. Any female word is feminine gender. Example, girl, queen, daughter, etc. Okay. Next, common gender are used for both males and females. Example, doctor, dancer, teacher, etc. Here are more examples of common gender. Hairdressers, accountants, managers, singers, artists, etc. All are common gender. Okay. And the last one is neuter gender. What is neuter gender? These are words for things that are neither male nor female. Okay. Examples are bench, cake, broom, etc. Okay. These are the four types of gender. You have to learn the four types. Now here are the exercises. Okay. First exercise, write the alternative form. Fill in the blanks with correct masculine or feminine nouns. Second exercise is same. You have to write the alternative form and complete the sentence. Okay. Next. Exercise number 3, change the underlined gender. If it is masculine word, then write the feminine and vice versa. Okay. Masculine word अगर है अंडरलाइन में तो आपको फेमिनाइन वर्ड लिखना है इसका. अगर फेमिनाइन है तो आपको masculine फॉर्म लिखना है. बस ऑल्टरनेटिव फॉर्म आपको लिखना है. एंड द लास्ट एक्सरसाइज इज राइट द टाइप्स ऑफ जेंडर. ओके. यहाँ पे 10 लिस्ट है तो आपको क्या करना है, इसका टाइप लिखना है. मास्कुलाइन है तो M, फेमिनाइन F, कॉमन C एंड न्यूटर, अगर न्यूटर जेंडर है तो यू हैव टू राइट N. ओके, दैट्स ऑल. If you don't know the meaning of any word, then skip that, write the rest. When the answer will come, learn those words. किसी word की meaning अगर नहीं पता तो वो छोड़ के आप बाकी कर लेना. मैं जब आंसर वीडियो लेकर आऊंगी तो वो learn कर लेना. That's today's lessons. Very easy. I hope the concept of gender is clear. If you have any doubt, please comment, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.